Hey, what's up, guys? This is Guillermo Auto. I got a 2010 Honda Crosstour doing the roof light bulb. I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. It's really easy. It's a roof light bulb or top dash bulb. I don't know what it's called, but it's the one up here. My one over here works. My one right here does not. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to show you how to get to it. You want to get a little screwdriver, a pocket screwdriver, a flathead one, or a really small flathead, or maybe even a butter knife if you don't have a flathead, and just gently come in here and put it between the clear part and the panel on the on one side, and just gently pop it down, and then move to the other side and pop it down. Uh, do it on the sides, not in the center, and then you just gently massage the clear part out. Be real gentle with it, and there's the bulb right there. So I'm going to pop this out. It's too tight of an area to get my fingers in, so I just use the flathead to get it out. Got my old bulb. I'll put the part number at the end of the video. You just take your new bulb and put it back in those prongs. Make sure it's in there nice and good. And you can test it by pushing that white button right there. Okay, so we got that working. Now let's put this back in. Pay attention to where those prongs were. That's pretty self-explanatory. It just goes back in how it came out. Just very gently push it in on the sides, and then it should work. So hope this video, guys, helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next video.